Hi friends, this video shows how to download apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon. Go to apps. In some TV model, we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to see apps. Let me go to apps here. Then select see all apps. Here we can see list of installed apps. From this list, we have to select Google Play Store. Select Google Play Store. In some TV model, we have to go to system apps, show system apps. There we would be able to find Google Play Store. Let me select Google Play Store from here. Then select open. Done. So now I have opened Google Play Store. So here on top we can see one search button. See search. Select search. And here we can search for the app which you want. For example, let me search for Hotstar. See, you can see Hotstar here. Select Hotstar. Then here we can see update and uninstall option. I already downloaded and installed this Hotstar app. That is why you are seeing update. So let me select another app. I think Google Meet. Select it. See, now we can see install option. So this way we can download and install app. Just open Google Play Store. Then you can search for the app which you want. We have one more option. We don't need to search. On top you can see app section and game section. From game section you can select a game which you want. Then you can download. Let me go to app section. In app section, if we go down, here we can see the app categories. For example, movies and TVs, stream, games, entertainment apps, app categories you can see here. Entertainment, music, audio, video, player and editors, tools. Let me go to tools. From here also you can select one app, then you can download and install. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.